Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to take third class numbers. It is the continuation of first part. Today we are going to see the counting, how to count. Now you see me here, I show you this each bundle contains 100 sticks, broomsticks. It is made of 100 broomsticks. See, I have so many here, totally 100 I have. Each bundle contains 100. Yes, see here. So, like this I have now totally 10 bundles. 10 bundles of broomsticks, right? This is 1, 2, 3, means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So, your third class, you are going to learn from 100 to 1000, right? Shall we learn? Right. Now, you look here, look at your textbook, page number 14. Page 14. See there, what do you see on the picture? Grandfather or father. The girl is standing there. Her name is Mayuri. Mayuri and father, what are they doing? They are standing near the bricks. That pink color totally, have you seen the brick? These walls are constructed using the bricks. We use the bricks. Okay, all the walls, to construct the walls of your house or any building, what do we use? We use bricks. See there, bricks. There we have bricks yard. The bricks are laid in the yard. That is Mayuri's father. Mayuri is counting. She says to her father that each row, see there, each row is 10, 10, 10, 10 bricks. Do you want to count? You know the numbers from 1 to 100? You try to count there. Okay? So, what is there given? First brick it is 10 written. That means the total row is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next row also 10 bricks. That is why they have consecutive number there, 10, 20. They counted 10 tens, multiples of 10, that is 10 tens, and written there 10 bricks, 20 bricks, 30 bricks, 40 bricks, 50 bricks, 60 bricks, 70 bricks, 80 bricks, 90 bricks. And in the last row, one is less, one brick is less. That is why they have written 9 bricks. 90 plus 9, 90 bricks, 99 bricks, right? So, what did they do? They laid the bricks into 10-10 group. It is not 5-5 group, 10-10 groups. See the question there. Soon she made a mistake and she had to begin again. Father says, why did you not count in groups? What do you mean? Take 5 at one time and count like 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, means 5 multiples. Daddy suggests you read 5 multiples. Why do you go such a big count? It is better to read 5. Then Mayuri says, no dad, I am going to count 10, 10, 10. See there. Let me take groups of 10. Mayuri grouped bricks into tens and started counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, like that and so on. Papa, there are 90 here and 9 more. A total of 99 bricks. If you give me one more brick, then the last column would also contain 10 bricks. Then how many bricks will be there? There would be 100 bricks. 10 tens are 100, right? Now you look here, 3-digit number. 100 is a 3-digit number. Previously only I told you 100. So what are the digits you have here in 100? See here. See, first digit is 0, second digit is 0, third digit is 1. So what is this place? This place is units place. This place is tens place. Tens. This one is hundreds place. Hundreds place. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. Can you see? Yes, hundreds. So now how many bricks are there with Mayuri in the courtyard? We have 100 bricks. So 100, how did she laid that 100 bricks? She had laid in each row 10, 10, 10, 10. So that means 10 tens are 100. 10, each row she has 10. That means 100. Now how can you do this? In addition form, 10 plus 10 times you write, you will get it. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wrote a 10. That what is the total? That is 100. You can write in a multiplication statement or in addition statement. Okay. Now you look at here in your page number 15. You have the question like this. See there in the box. There were only 99 bricks. How did they write that? See there, that 3-digit number. They have written 9 tens. So we have here 99 bricks. How to expand this? How to expand this? 90 plus 9. 90, how do you write 90? 9 tens. 9 tens. How do you write 9? 9 ones. Isn't it? So that's what you can see there. So if you add one more brick with this, then you are getting 100 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 means what? 10 tens. 100 means what? 10 tens. Repeat all of you. 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. That is what I wrote in multiplication form, 10 tens. 10 plus 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 is equal to 100. Okay, if you add 10 times, you are getting 100. If you multiply 10 times also, you will get 100. Do you follow now? So in 100, how many tens are there? Question is, how many tens are there in 100? We have 10 tens. See all of you? 10 tens. We have 100 and in 100, how many tens are there? 10 tens make 100. It is a fill in the blank. 10 tens make 100. Okay. 100 ones make 100 ones make 100. Do you understand? So, this is your objective type question. These two are objective type. 10 tens make 100. 100 ones make 100. Right? Now, you see in the textbook there. 99 is the one more fill in the blank question is here. 99 is the last 2-digit number. It is the 2-digit number. So, 99 is the greatest. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. These three are for your objective type question. You need to take down in your notebook. See there, otherwise underline in the textbook. 10 tens make 100, 100 ones make 100 ones, and 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Right? Shall we go to the next? Look at there. The first number with the 3-digit is 100. That means what we can write? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 100 is the smallest. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. "99 is the greatest 2-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number." So, these 4 questions are objective type. 1, 2, 3. Write in your notebook. Right? Next, we are coming to the next. How much do we get if I add 1 is added to 100? If I add 1 to 100, how much do I get? If 1 is added to 100, how much do I get? 101. 1 plus 0, 1. 0, like that only bring it down. 1 also bring it down. Then you get 101. How much do we get if we add 10 to 100? See now 100 is here. You add 10. How much do you get? 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1. So, how much? 110. What do you write there? 110. Write the answer there. 101 first you write and then 110. So, how much do you get if you add 100 plus 100 it seems? 100. Question is 100 is added to 100. So, keep like this and add it. 0 plus 0 how much? 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 200. Isn't it? Think about these questions as you do next task. What is the next task? Next page you look at. We are going to fill in the blanks now. See there. Look at the blanks there. See slowly. Numbers after 100. Numbers after 100. What do you have numbers after 100? You have in the first, fill the empty boxes according to the pictures. First picture is done there. What do you have in the first picture? 100. Okay. So, that down line fully 100 you have. Understood? And in the empty box, you need to write how many extra bricks are there. That you must write it here. Okay. See, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. How do you have there? Hundreds, tens, ones. That tens place only last you have 110. That means here all dash 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 nothing. No tens there. Do you follow me? Shall we go to the question? Oh. Now see the first fill in the blank. 101. So that is 101. See children, we have 100. So in that box 100 bricks are there. Shall I write here 100? 1, 0, 1, 0, 100. Okay? No tens. In tens place empty 0. And in ones place we have 1. So how do you get this? How do you get this? You look at here. 100, 0, 1. Add now. How do you get? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0, bring it down as it is. 1 also bring it down and write. So what do you get the answer here? 101. You write it in the blank there. If you have textbooks, you write in the blank. Already it is written for you. No need of writing. First question is done. Second question also is done. Second question you see 100 bricks are there and no tens. Leave it off. And 2 bricks are there. So totally 102 bricks. It is given already in the textbook. Shall we go to the third one now? 100. Write 100 plus tens. No, we don't have tens digit. And we have 3. 100 plus 3 is equal to, answer is not given. You are supposed to write. What will you write? You have to write 103. Why do you write 103? Come on, take it your rough column and write 100 and 3 you add. You know addition now? Come on, you add 0 plus 3. How much do you get? 3. 0, bring 0 here and 1 as it is. Right? It's easy for you. So 103. Shall we go to the next question there? So here 100, hundreds, and on the middle column is not given. You are supposed to write there 100. Come on, write all of you 100 plus 4. How many ones are there? 4. So what you have to do? You write 4 is equal to, already 104 is given. This you need to write. This already is given. Right? Did you fill it? Shall we go to the next question? So what you have to do? This time you have to draw the bricks in that empty box. How many bricks will you draw? What is the question says there? There it is given like this, 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. Answer is given, but this part, the bricks you need to draw. How many bricks you will draw there? 5 bricks you need to draw. 5 bricks you need to draw. Okay, you draw that 5 bricks. Already these 100 bricks are there. That full set is given there. 100 bricks are given. So you don't do that. Only what you have to do? You need to draw single bricks. 5 bricks you need to draw. The rest of the answer is given. Let us come down now. 100 plus 6, and you need to total and put it. 100 plus 6 is equal to 106. Is it easy for you to count? Yes. Now next one also you go. There they have given the total. you have to expand. How do you expand? 100 plus 7. This is in the blank, empty place. You need to write. Did you write there? Next down you come. Down also they are asking you to write 100 plus 8. How many blanks are there? Yes, 2 blanks are there. You need to write the total also 108. Continue. Finish writing. Shall we go to the next one? 9 bricks are there. Count. 9 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already here big box is there. That's 100. 100 plus 9 bricks are there. See. So you need to count. So totally 9. So how you will write here? 100 plus 9 bricks. 100 plus 9 bricks is equal to 109. Last one they have given you, but you need to draw the bricks. You count the bricks. That big brick 110 is given. See there. That is 100 plus 110. That box, units box, you keep empty. That is why they wrote 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. Come on, repeat the numbers now. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. How do you say properly? 101. Repeat. 1, 100, 1, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Got it? Now next box also is there. See there. It's very easy for you. Wherever it is given, what do? You have to do it. So okay. We will take the homework now. We will take the homework. Your homework, I told you, make bundles of coconut broomsticks or straw. Straws will be available in the shop. If you don't have broomstick, go buy the straws and make 10 bundles. Now how did I make 10 bundles? Each bundle must have 100 sticks. 100 sticks should be there. 100 sticks. Okay. Do you make it? Yes. So that's fine. We will see. Make it bundles and bring it tomorrow. Bye.